Hello, hola, welcome to Rena MoMoney Plus YouTube channel. I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney, and on this channel we talk about all the ways to help you crush it in real estate and how you can become a better you. Well, today we're going to talk about why you should invest in real estate and how to invest like a pro. So, come on in. If this is your first time coming, I'd like to say welcome and thank you. I come on this channel twice a week to give you valuable information on real estate, stocks, deals, understanding the real estate industry, and just overall helping you become a better you. So you've clicked the right button. Today, there's no different. I have even more information, more valuable tips and tools to help you out. I also give boom nuggets, and I also give some shout outs to those that come on here and subscribe and come back over and over to educate themselves. So if you haven't subscribed, you definitely want to do so that you won't miss the good stuff that I got for you. Make sure you turn on that little belly thing. That little belly thing is going to let you know when I come on this channel every time I come on, so that you can get that information. I often tell folk that real estate is actually the true way to wealth. It is actually one of the best roads to wealth. There's others, but real estate always appreciates, and real estate appreciates no matter what, never depreciates. So real estate is definitely a true route to wealth. The first reason you should invest in real estate is, for one, freedom. Yes, freedom. Along with freedom comes passive income. Make your own schedule. Free to come and go as you please. But that is definitely one of the reasons why you should invest in real estate. The second reason would be for retirement. Real estate is my retirement. I've been self-employed for a while, but I've been a real estate investor since 2003. And it definitely helps you with retirement because that's money that's going to be coming in every month, and that is passive. If not completely passive for some, it can be completely passive, and that's another story. We'll do a video on that, on how to make your real estate business completely passive. We'll talk about that. If that's something you'd like for me to go over and you want to hear, make a comment below and let me know if that's something you want me to touch on, how to make real estate investing completely passive. Okay? Another reason why you should invest in real estate is so that you can leverage your money. There's so many different things you can do, so many side hustles, so many different industries, and there are a lot of great industries. Another thing in real estate, there's so many niches you can do in real estate, and we talk about that. Stroll down the channel, and if you're not ready to become an investor, you're not ready to make that step, go look down the channel. We talk about some side hustles. We talk about other niches that is in the real estate industry that you can capitalize on from and profit. Take some time out, educate yourself. Another reason why you should invest in real estate is because of the cash flow. Cash flow. You want that money flowing. That if you're not already investing, find a way to start investing in real estate. We talk about that. We talk about how you can invest in real estate through apps. I have a video on that. Make sure you go down the channel because every video has something to either save you money or make you money. There's tons of reasons why you should. I just touched on a few. Now we'll get into how you can invest like a pro. Before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have already subscribed, don't hit that button again. Make sure you turn on the little belly thing so that you can be notified every time I come on this channel. I come on twice a week to help you crush it in real estate. And I'm talking about money and money, more money, more money, and more money. And that's what you're here for. You're here to learn about money, to invest your money, to leverage your money, to understand money, and to help you save money. And you're here to make money and more money. As we move right along, I got to give my shout outs. I can't go anywhere. I can't go to the next thing without giving shout outs and giving boom nuggets. That's one of the things you'll always get on this channel. My shout outs are to those that have come on this channel and subscribed. I want to thank you. So I stream your name. I can't pick everybody. I randomly select new subscribers, and I also randomly select those that may have left a nice comment in the comment section. I tell you what, let's give a boom nugget because I have several today on this video. You always want to stay to the end. I need to mention that. Always stay to the end. Jam packed. Here's a boom nugget for you. Citizen Bank Business. Citizens Bank Business. Citizens Bank Business will ask for the last 3 months of your bank statements. They will also accept your personal score, but you do need at least a 680 if you are a new business. They still focus on business activities. They want to see, how you're flowing in your business, especially if you're new. So keep in mind, credit cards can be a good form of source to cash flow, especially if you're starting out or you're tight or you're trying to get equipment for your new business. Remember, the secret to credit cards is to make sure you pay them off every month. If not, if you're unable to pay them off, then keep your utilization under 10%. That's a good nugget there. And I talk about that on a previous video. So make sure you go down the channel. Keep your utilization on your credit cards below 10%. If it so happens to get to 15 to 20%, that's okay too. It'll start affecting your credit score, but you definitely never want to go over 30%. That starts to hurt your credit score when you're talking about credit cards. And you know my secret. My secret is getting credit cards that have a 0% APR, a 0% introductory rate where you pay 0% for the first 12 months. Okay, I have another boom nugget for you, but I want to jump back into how you can invest like a pro. You asked Rena MoMoney, how do I invest like a pro? Here is how you invest like a pro. Refinance a home. Refinance the current home that you currently live in or your investment property. Refinance what you own right at this point because interest rates are still pretty low. They're slowly creeping up, but they're still pretty low. What you want to do, I recommend refinancing if you're doing something or buying something that's going to be good debt, long-term good debt, like rentals, or you're pulling that money out to consolidate bad debt. I would recommend refinance. So if you have something that's going to be a short-term debt, like maybe getting your car fixed or remodeling your kitchen, things of that nature, then I would recommend doing a HELOC. HELOC is a home equity line of credit. So if it's some short-term money or you need some cash out, get a HELOC because you can pay that back at any time. So for a little cash to do something else that's short-term, then you want to look at HELOC. So you will do HELOC if it's something that's short-term, and you'll do a refinance if it's something long-term. Make sure that you have enough equity in your home also. That's going to be an important factor. If you're refinancing your home so that you can pull that money out to start investing, make sure you get pre-approved so you'll know which direction to go. And then once you're pre-approved, then you can go house hunting. Understand when you should refinance and understand when you should get a HELOC. Understand what to do with your money. Make sure you're pre-approved first, because that is truly a rookie mistake, not getting pre-approved and understanding which direction you need to go. If you need help with this, if it seems like everything is stomping you and you just don't know where to start, first go down the channel and look and see if there's a video that can help you out. I have videos on all type of different things. I also have resources down in the description. Take a look, stop, take a moment and educate yourself. Look at some of these videos that's going to help you out and help you crush it as you try to jump into this industry, or if you're trying to scale up in the real estate industry. I also offer coaching calls. Coaching calls are pretty reasonable. I don't have a mentorship program yet. And if you can't afford a mentorship program, you don't have to go with me. But if you can't afford a mentorship program, you definitely want to look at doing a coaching call. You can do a one-on-one session with me. I've been in real estate for a minute and I can help you save money or make money. Keep that in mind. Look in the description below. Schedule a coaching call if you need it. I'm here full of information. So if I said anything thus far to help you out, to give you something to think about, do me a favor and smash that like button. Smash that like button. All right, I said I was gonna give you another boom nugget. I try to have at least two. I think I've already given you two, but I got another one for you. And this particular card is great for startup businesses. If you don't have a credit score, you don't already have lines of credit, and you don't already have tier 1 credit, and you need to understand that, educate yourself. If you have nothing and you're truly starting up and you're ready to jump in and start your business credit going, the one you want to check on is Wells Fargo Business Secured Card. The Wells Fargo Business Secured Card is a great starter. Now, here's the thing. You do have to secure it with the $500 minimum. So you'll put your $500 in there and that secures that card. And you're actually using your money that you put on the card, but it reports. It also helps you build your business credit because the card is going to be in your business name, and that will help get you started is secured. Also, we all know that there are expenses before you start the business. So here again, look into these products. Do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go get these products. I'm just telling you some ways that you can crush it in real estate, crush it in your business, and crush it in becoming a better you. And that being said, make sure if you haven't already, you need to look at the Rena MoMoney Plus channel. Go down and pick some of the videos that will help you out. I talk about how you can get credit cards. I talk about how you can get lenders with no documentation, nothing but your income. We talk about all types of things and ways to help you crush it. So make sure you come back. Always stay to the end. Thank you, and you take care.